seeing as there's absolutely no chance of popping down to a local Portuguese restaurant for a prego roll, we're going to make them at home. So sometimes I use thin sort of sirloin steaks or even minute steaks, and sometimes I use chicken breast. Now if you're going to use a chicken breast, you need to bash it. Just want to kind of beat it till they cook evenly really, and also so it goes better on a sandwich. Sliced garlic, just to give a milder flavour. We've got lots of chopped garlic in the prego sauce. And we've got our lemon, squeeze that all over. Some olive oil, doesn't have to be your best, but whatever you've got will do. Some pepper. And then the idea is to marinate it for about 2 or 3 hours. Now I do happen to have fresh bay leaves, there I am showing off again. But otherwise dried bay leaves, and make sure you kind of break them up so we really get the flavour going in them. Dash of love doesn't go amiss, and then just kind of like rub it all in, marinate it for an hour or so, maybe 2. Now there's absolutely no point in making prego if you're not going to make a good prego sauce. It does require a fair amount of butter and oil, I must be honest. Lots of olive oil. And then lots of chopped onion. Now, you want it to sort of melt and kind of like get all gungy and delicious. And you're gonna add chopped fresh tomato, don't use canned, and make sure you've got the ripest tomatoes in the world because that's really gonna help. Lots of chopped garlic. What's prego without garlic? I like to toss in a couple of whole chillies because we're gonna whir it. Some bay leaves, and definitely, and this is really, really important, red wine vinegar. Good slosh or 3. Salt, pepper, and just simmer it till it goes gungy and delicious. While we're lurking around for the prego, I'm going to grab a piece of chicken. Woo! Fire! Alright, that looks about done to me. Pop that over there. All right, I'm just gonna whir this. I'm just gonna ladle the prego over. And there you go, a lovely glass of vino verde, and life will be good.